friends, on the 4th of November, we've got our special offering service. This is where we're believing by faith that we can pay off the mortgage for this building. It is £60,000 we're wanting to raise, and we are believing that we can do that as a church family. So why don't you come, pray about and consider how you can give towards this and be a part of getting this building paid off. So that's on the 4th of November on that Sunday service. We recently shared at Excel Church about our plans for Mission 25. Yes, it's so exciting. We've got 6 opportunities for everyone to get involved in here at church, in the local community, nationally in the UK, and even abroad in Spain and Uganda with the Watoto's Children's Choir. So guys, there's lots for you to sign up for. So why don't you head to our website, sign up there with your interest in those opportunities that we've got out there. We want to get as many people involved in this, and we want to make a difference for Jesus with the gospel. So get involved, guys, sign up with your interest, and we can't wait to do Mission 25 together. The shoebox appeal is happening, and on the 11th of November we're going to be bringing all the shoeboxes here ready to go to Operation Christmas Child. So why don't you pick up a box from the foyer, fill it with some goodies, some toys and things on the leaflet that gives you the information, and bring it back on that Sunday where we'll be praying for these boxes that will go to bless some children elsewhere. So that's all for XL News, guys, but remember this week is prayer and Bible study, so come along for that. We're going to have guest Pastor Kennedy from Zimbabwe joining us this Wednesday evening, so come along for that, and have a great week, guys.